In this video, we're going to share with you another simple and easy DIY project for your RV. Today, we're going to be upgrading the igniter to an electronic one in our RV cooktop. So let's get started. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aron with retailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. If you're like us in the early morning and you get tired of hearing that annoying sound as you turn on your cooktop in your RV, then this video will help you to solve just that. Some things that you're going to need for this build are a AA battery, a cordless drill, a step drill bit that will accommodate up to 3/4 of an inch, a screwdriver, an electronic igniter. This particular brand has 3 outlets in the back, and that all depends on the number of burners that you have for your RV cooktop. And finally, the optional item is igniter wires. Later on in the video, we'll show you how you can use your current ones to fit with the new system. So let's get started.
First, we need to remove the knob by gently pulling on it. Now with a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and remove the old igniter assembly. Here is what it looks like after it's been removed. Now it's time to enlarge the hole to fit our new igniter. We used a 1/6 by 7/8 step bit and my favorite cordless strip. Now it's time to insert the new igniter into the hole and then hand tighten the provided plastic retaining nut and install a AAA battery, and finally screw on the spring activated button. Now we need to move to the back of the igniter and install the wires. You can purchase new igniter wires like we did, or you can reuse existing wires. If you reuse the wires provided, you will need to crimp the ends with a pair of needle nose pliers so that they fit the pins on the igniter posts. Now that we have everything put back together, it's now time to check out our completed project. Simply turn on the gas and push your new installed igniter button, and there you have it. Another simple and easy RV project completed.
Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to retailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.